Good day, everyone. Good evening, everyone. So, I'm going to teach you on how to use the translation of Filipino Tagalog from the Philippines. Okay, so in English, in US, in United States, sa Pilipinas, Filipino, I'm gonna translate to Tagalog. Make sure it's okay. So, let's see. I'll teach you some. So, English, and Filipino. Ay translation. Tagalog and English normal. So let's teach on how to use the translations. So let's use car. So what's the Tagalog of car? Okay, kung sasakyan, that's correct. Alright. Sasakyan. Sasakyan or could be kotse. We will consider about this one for number one. Okay, this is number one. Okay, for number two, what's the Tagalog of motorcycle? So, the very first. Hey, that's correct. Okay, so the Tagalog of motorcycle is motorsiklo. Hey, motorsiklo. Motorsiklo. So number three, that's Tagalog of chair. You guess? The brightness is I don't know. Okay, let's make it to -40, 60. Okay, so let's see. This is the Tagalog of ano. What's the Tagalog of chair? Upuan. Okay, correct. So this is upuan. Okay. Number four, April. Let's see. So that's the Tagalog of April. Abril. No, Abril is not V because it's Abril. Okay, this is correct. So this is the fourth month of the year. Ito. So this is correct. Next. Number five. Okay, so the Tagalog of pencil. Okay. So until five only. So the Tagalog of pencil is lapis. Tama, lapis. Okay, so let's see. We will have one check and two. Two checks tayo. Let's use crayons only if you can use pen. Okay, so what's the number one? Okay, so number one is so car and sasakyan and kotse. You consider that okay? Hey, number two, motorcycle and motorsiklo. Okay, this is good. So number three, chair, upuan. Correct. Okay, for April and Abril. Okay, good. Hey, 5 pencil or lapis. Okay lang yun. Okay, so 9 plus 1 equals 10 over 10. 100% A plus. Perfect. Here you go. Okay, good. Okay, see you at my next video.